Welcome back to the channel where we talk about money and money related topics like credit cards, crypto, stocks, real estate, credit unions, banks, side hustles, grants, travel hacks. If any of that is what you're into, you're in the right place. So stick around and don't delay. Do it today. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, like, and pop the notification bell upside the head so you'll know when I got something new dropping. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the stock market a little bit. In the stock market, full acknowledgement, we are in a bear market right now, okay? We're in a bear market, and a lot of companies are so freaking volatile that lots of people are kind of afraid to trade. Lots of people decided to dump their entire portfolio. And I'm not telling you to go get in the market right now and just sit, because that might not be the right thing for you to do. Also, full disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice or an endorsement. This is simply me sharing information, and it's for informational purposes. Please do your own due diligence. Now that we got that all out the way, here's today's tip. I do think that there's money to still be made in the market. Lots of people are sitting with their money in the bank, getting 1 to 0.2% interest on their money, and that's just unacceptable. That's, you're losing money because of inflation. But there are a couple of companies that I just think won't go but so far down that I think it's safe for you to buy when they are triple oversold. Keyword, triple oversold. And I'm talking companies that have trillion-dollar market caps, not market caps in the billions. I'm talking two companies only, Apple and Microsoft. Apple and Microsoft only seem to go so far down. And when they reach a certain level, when they become triple oversold, the banks, the hedge funds, that's who the buyers are. And they're not buying like you and I, buying 10 shares, 50 shares, 100 shares, 200 shares. These guys are buying tens of thousands of shares at one time, which gives the price a spike, okay? It doesn't last forever, but it gives it a spike. And I'm going to put up a quick graphic here. Here's a chart of Apple. And you can see on Apple's chart, this is the daily we're looking at. Since this bear market has started in the last couple months, Apple has slid down twice significantly and fought back each time. The first time it went down to about 132, fought back to a little above 150. The second time it slid down to about 129 and got to where it currently is at $148. Okay, guys, that's about roughly 12, 13% gain each time. So what I'm telling you is, instead of getting 1/10 or 0.2%, you could maybe get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% by getting in once this thing has become completely oversold and the hedge funds have started to buy. I'm going to also put up a chart here from Microsoft. Microsoft has displayed the same type of pattern and has had the same activity and the same reaction to being triple oversold. You can see with Microsoft here, it's gone down twice. The first time it got down to about maybe $250. It fought back to like 272. The second time it got down to 241. It's gotten back to like $264. So again, we're talking about around a 10% bump each time it becomes triple oversold, which does leave enough room for you to go in and buy and potentially get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7% return on your money. Is that a big bag? No. Is it a huge return? No. Is it profit? Yes. And anytime you can get profit on your money, especially when it's sitting dormant, it's usually the thing to do. So that's just me sharing that with you. You do with it as you will. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not your advisor, but I am sharing information and giving it to you for informational purposes for you to do your own due diligence. So that's my tip for today. You can still win even in this bear market that we're in. Hey, if you found value in that content, go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and share, and the notification bell. Please drop some comments. Let me know what you think about this strategy. Let me know if you think you got a better strategy. Hit me with some emojis too. Let's push this thing out into the YouTube universe. And on that note, guys, as always, I endorse and approve the message that I just gave you. And on that note, I'm gone.